Dear Sarah, we are thrilled to reveal the stunning restoration of your beloved Bottega Veneta Nodini bag. This timeless piece has surely been your trusted companion through many memorable moments. To give your cherished bag a new life, we use our signature SPA 360 service, a thorough restoration process that carefully tends to every aspect of your bag with the utmost skill and expertise. The result is truly impressive. Our skilled craftsmen carefully took apart the bag, restoring each part to its original beauty. We revived the luxurious leather, precisely reapplied edging, and skillfully restored areas borne by use, such as corners and other delicate spots. We are deeply grateful for your continued trust in Everleather and your appreciation for the inherent value that comes with time. This restoration has not only extended the life of your treasured Bottega Veneta, but also reinforced a philosophy of mindful luxury consumption. Everleather, the art of surprising.